looking at you. You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's...
Hello guys, welcome to Podcast Life. Our channel Podcast Life is all about podcasts and discussions. So our topic for today's podcast is creepy or haunted. Me and my friends would be talking about any one such haunted thing or place, uh, and we would be giving the backstory to it, that what is the story of it being haunted. So now, without any delay, let's start. My topic for today's, my story for the podcast, creepy podcast, is the White House ghost. Yes, the White House ghost. As everyone knows, that White House is the place where the President of America lives, and it's said to be haunted. Who haunts it? Through many sources like Google and Wikipedia, I have found out that Abraham Lincoln, one of the President of America, haunts the White House. Really. And there's not one or two such stories which prove this story to be true. There are so many. So I will be telling you some of them. So the first is Lillian Roger Park, who lived in uh, who lived in the White House for 30 years, and in her autobiography, My 30 Years Backstare at the White House, which came out in 1961, she said that she had heard him. So this is one thing, that if I say that this story is false, if someone has written it in his or her autobiography, it wouldn't be just for fun, right? A book which is coming out, people are reading it, and it's your autobiography. So this is one thing which kind of proved this story to be somehow, like, yes, proves it to be right. The second story is about Harry S. Truman, the 43rd President of America, who has written the letter you will be seeing in Letter Down. That letter to his wife, which is still there in the presidential library in the White House, a library in the in White House. This letter is still there over there, and in this letter, as you can read that, you would have got an idea that he was sleeping, and he heard a knock, and when he went to check, he couldn't find anything. So, and President of America, if he has written this letter, as I'm telling you, these all are information from Google. So if he has written this letter to his wife, and if it's still there in the presidential library, obviously he must have felt something. Not he still this is all the thing is, just you can't just write a letter just for fun. Let's write a letter today. Such an would be like such a creepy letter. So the third story is about Winston Churchill, who was a British Prime Minister. So while he came to America, he was given the room where it was the study of Abraham Lincoln, and Winston Churchill had an habit of to sleep late and take a bath before sleeping. So while he was taking a bath, he felt he saw a shadow-like thing in his room. So when he went over there, it said that he saw Abraham Lincoln and he had a conversation with him. So this is one thing which I don't believe in. Can we have a conversation with ghosts? I don't want to have one. Okay, so let's not try to find out that. So as you know, as I said, Abraham Lincoln haunts the White House. It's not only him, it's Willie Lincoln, who was the child son of Abraham Lincoln. He also haunts the White House. Yeah, he died because of typhoid during his presidentship, and he people have seen him or felt his presence too. So, if you ask me, I do not believe, and you shouldn't be giving judgments on this topic because it's still an totally not proven topic. So, just wait for us part 2, where I will be telling you about one such creepy story, and one more such creepy story about, and I will give you a backstory to it. So now you can continue with my friends. Bye bye.
सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू पॉडकास्ट लाइव. दिस इज़ मृणाल. सो आज हमारा टॉपिक है हॉन्टेड. सो आज मैं आपको 2 स्टोरीज़ बताने वाली हूँ. आप गूगल पे भी जाके सर्च कर सकते हो उन दो स्टोरीज को, वहाँ पे है। सो मेरा फर्स्ट स्टोरी का नाम है ब्रिजराज भवन। सो एक्चुअली ब्रिजराज भवन पहले एक पर्सनल रेसिडेंस हुआ करता था, जिसमें ब्रिटिश लोग अपना ऑफिशियल वर्क करते थे या फिर अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहते थे। तो एक बार एक आदमी जिसका नाम मेजर चार्ल्स बर्टन था, जो कोटा विजिट करने आया था और वहाँ पे ही सेटल हो गया अपने हेरिटेज प्रॉपर्टी में विद हिज फैमिली। सो व्हेन द फेमस सेपॉय mutiny broke out in 1857, a group of Indian soldiers attacked the Brij-Raj Bhavan. So, बाद में उन्होंने मैंशन तोड़ दिया और मेजर बर्टन के आदमियों को भी वहाँ से भगा दिया। और उन्होंने एक इंग्लिश ऑफिसर को मारा और उनके बच्चों को भी मार दिया। बाद में जब आफ्टर द मर्डर किंग ऑफ कोटा उन्होंने सब बॉडी को रिकवर किया और क्या बोलते हैं, ब्रिजराज के अंदर ही एक सेंट्रल हॉल था जिसमें उन्होंने उसको बरेड कर दिया। फिर बाद में जब वहाँ से सब लोग चले गए, कोई रहते होंगे तो लोकल कहते हैं कि वहाँ को रात में बहुत सारे स्पूकी साउंड्स आते हैं, बहुत अजीब आवाज़ें आते हैं। So actually personally I literally don't believe this। अगर किसी को बरेड किया है जो ऑलरेडी मर चुका है, आत्मा भी हो सकती है। आई एम लिटरली नॉट श्योर, बट मैं श्योर भी हूँ और श्योर नहीं भी हूँ कि मुझे 50% लगता है कि वो गलत है। ये कि क्या हुआ, स्पूकी साउंड्स कैसे आ सकते हैं अगर वो मरा, उनको बरेड किया हो। तो ये है फर्स्ट पॉइंट। और 50% नहीं, क्योंकि हो भी सकते हैं, उनके आत्माएं भी हो सकती है। सो एक्चुअली 50% आई बिलीव इट, 50% आई डोंट। सो हम अपने दूसरे स्टोरी के लिए बात करते हैं।
Hello, Adab, Sat Shri Akal, Namaste. This is Namika and welcome to Podcast Live. Hope you all are safe and sound at your homes. I know, घर बैठे बैठे सब बोर हो रहे हैं, so let's make it a bit exciting with our creepy stories. I'm sure आप सभी ने टाइटैनिक के बारे में काफ़ी सुना होगा. The great ship which had a very tragic and unfortunate ending. And many of you might be thinking that it is the most unluckiest ship on this planet. But let me tell you something, it is not. Let's go to our first story, SS Alkimos. SS Alkimos is known as a curse ship from its very beginning. It was built during the Second World War within just 10 days. And due to its rushed construction, many of the workers were pushed and sealed in the hull, causing them to die slowly. But mostly it was just a rumor of the accidents and deaths that took place during the short construction time. Once it was put to the sea, the bad luck still continued with it. So it was put into service on October 11, 1943. And it was plagued with a technical issue. That means the ship would break down any time. Then, in August of 1944, a brutal murder-suicide took place, in which a crew member shot a female Canadian radio operator and then shot himself. a cold-blooded murder accompanied by a suicide. Then, after this incident, the ship owners decided to change the name of it and naming it as SS Alkimos with the hopes that now the things will be good, like नामकरण and all that. चेंज करने के बाद शायद से बैड लक और एक्सीडेंट्स कम हो जाएंगे और शायद से ना भी होंगे, but then ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. The technical issues still continued. Once the ship while it was in Fremantle, it caught fire unexpectedly without any reason. It is still a mystery कि अचानक से ship को आग कैसे लगी. Then, while they were towing it from Fremantle to Hong Kong, the towing cable got snapped in between. Another tragic accident. So, still the crew members didn't give up on it, and then they still made an effort to keep the ship going. So, many caretakers were left till the ship was in better condition. So, while the caretakers were still in the ship, many reported that like they were feeling as being watched, या फिर अलग अलग सी स्मेल्स आ रही थी, या फिर आवाज़ें, and if you will go there, nobody would be there, and they felt very uncomfortable and very creepy. You know, that supernatural forces and all that stuff. And many of them even had very deadly nightmares during that. So within all that stuff, at the end they decided to salvage the ship. But then the company जो company ship को salvage करने वाली थी, the worker in the company died in a plane crash unexpectedly. So, and that wasn't the only case. Many plans were made to demolish the ship, but then many tragic accidents took place to them. Lastly, with no other hopes, the crew members sold the ship for scrap. However, in 1969, the salvage workers were they died in a fire, again an unexpected fire, and then during that time, the partly dismantled remains, the ship broke down completely, and then it sank to several meters of the water. And fun fact, the remains are still there till date.